How to zoom in and zoom out a video in PowerDirector. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can zoom in and zoom out a video in PowerDirector. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up PowerDirector in your device. After that, you have to import a video. Once you have imported your video, drag the video to your timeline. Once you have your video in your timeline, now you have to click this video on your timeline, navigate to this menu bar at the top of the timeline and click on edit. Once you do that, from these options available here, you have to click on pan and zoom. Then you will see pan and zoom works in your interface. Now you have to select the point in your video where you want to apply the zoom in effect. So you can play the video and then pause on that location where you wanna add the zoom in effect, then add the keyframe. After that, you have to add another keyframe, so play the video. Select the duration for your zoom in and then you can pause the video. Again, add another keyframe. Once you have added your keyframe, now you can move this edges by clicking on it and make it a small a little bit. Now click on this dot in the middle and then you have to point with the help of this arrow to the part where you want to zoom in. Now in order to add the zoom out effect, again play the video and select the point where you want to apply the zoom out effect. Again add the keyframe. Again play the video for a while, stop it and add another keyframe. Once you have done that, now navigate to this section right here on the position. You have to clear this and make it to 0.5. Under the Y also you have to clear this and make it to 0.5. Now navigate toward the scale and under the width you can make it 1 and same with the height as well, you can make it 1. Once you're done, click on OK. Now if you play your video from the beginning, you will have zoom in and zoom out effect. As you can see, now the video has been zoomed in and now zoom out. So in this way you can add zoom in and zoom out in PowerDirector, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.